Let's make a baby shower invitation together in under 3 minutes using a template that already has a really solid foundation. So the first thing I'm doing is removing the current illustration because even one visual change like this can completely shift the personality of the design. Now I'm updating the title to Our Little Pearl is on the Way. From here, I'm just nudging the layout around a bit so everything starts flowing better with the new theme. Sometimes you don't need dramatic changes. Even small adjustments to placement and spacing can make a template feel brand new. I'm also making sure the text still has enough room to breathe because that's usually what keeps invitations looking polished instead of overcrowded. And now for the fun part. Let's add the new illustration. I love this pink shell graphic because it brings in that delicate, dreamy feeling without making the design too busy. I'm also going to update the purple text so it ties in better with the pink tones from the new graphic. Instead of keeping it as a single focal point, I'm repeating it throughout the invitation to create a little more movement and cohesion across the layout. And while I'm placing them, I'm varying the sizes and lowering the opacity on a few of them, so the decoration feels softer and more layered instead of flat. Finally, I'm adding a subtle background color just to help everything blend together more naturally and give the whole invitation a cleaner finished look. And just like that, we took one template, changed the direction completely, and turned it into a fresh baby shower design that feels unique and ready to list. And if you like this one, definitely check out the rest of the channel because we do a lot more quick transformations like this. And it's honestly really cool seeing how a few simple changes can turn one template into a completely new design you can actually list and sell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.